Hi guys and girls, back from holes over Christmas. It's been a nice long break. I'm today playing with my new Raptor. As you know, these are V6 twin turbocharged petrol engine trucks, and I got the exhaust off the back, and I'll climb under here and show you why. Trying to get the best angle on it. Underneath the back of these in the corners, this is where the normal Rangers have the side step for the tub, but the Raptor doesn't get them because the exhaust runs through here beside the chassis. And the problem is these tyres will throw stones like crazy. I don't know if you can see or not. See all the stone chips along the plastic there on the bottom? And there's actually a gap up in the back here where it will throw stones up through here, in through that gap, and this is the result. You should be able to see these in the camera if I get the right angle. You see the stone chips coming through the paint. So the stones are coming up off the wheel down here, running up underneath the guard and stone chipping this back part of the panel. So I thought I'd have a go at stopping that, and I've made up a couple of aluminium panels I'll show you in a minute. But the other advantage of doing this is going to be able to get rid of this wiring that's actually on the side of the chassis rail and tuck it up underneath this panel to hide it as well. That's a little bit susceptible to stone chips. You can see the wires running into the back of that. And sticks and mud and whatever else. There's another one there that's attached to the chassis. This one here will come off as well. Don't know about the inside one, but that's fairly safe inside there. Anyway, what I've done is, sorry about the wobbling around all over the place, a bit hard to get on the ground and back up again, especially when you're my age. There's the template. It's cut out of a thin cardboard, project cardboard. Good stuff, fairly stiff, so you can shape it to make it fit. And there's the result. That's the guard that's going to go up on the inside to stop the stones. So that will sit up in that quarter panel. Anyway, I'm going to bolt them in. The holes at the bottom are for the dust drain and the water drain if you go through a creek or whatever else. Plus you can get the hose in there to hose the dust out, because it will trap some in behind that corner. But the most important thing is to stop the stones from giving everything a hiding up underneath the tub. Because like I said, the Raptor tubs are different. They don't have the step on the corner. You normally you can put your foot in there and climb into the back of the ute. The Wild Track has them, XLT has them, the Sport has them, the XLS has them. Raptors don't. Raptors are wider, and this tub is different altogether in the quarter panel. We've got the protection plates bolted up underneath, so I'll give you a look now what it actually looks like, and gives you a proper idea of how it's going to stop all the dust and the dirt and the debris from getting up underneath, and the stone chips especially that are going to chip the back of this. If I show you the side of the quarter panel, this whole area can get full of dust because that's all open. It can climb up in here and it'll settle up and down and inside your quarter panels here. So it's going to help with everything underneath. I think quite a good idea, and you might like to do something like this for yourself. Anyway, I'll show you underneath how it's all put together. Hopefully be able to see okay in the light. Oh yeah, the camera's showing the panel there quite good. You can see it's been raining, so I've been for a drive, and it's actually just, you can see how it stops the water, and that gives you an idea of how protective it is from letting stuff get up into the cavity there. You can see the drain holes in the bottom, and it bolts in with these 3 bolts here that help to hold this plastic cornice in, and then you've got the 4 bolts at the top, 2 there and 2 there. That's where the exhaust runs through from the V6 engine, comes through from underneath. So it's going to make a big difference. Same on the other side. It's identical, but just a mirror image of the template. And you see the wires all tucked up underneath the plate too for protection. And it should stop those stone chips from happening on my panels on the inside. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and hopefully it gives you some idea for your Ranger Raptor, and we'll talk soon.